So do you also wish to automatically analyze the feedbacks received through Google Forms? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to build an AI agent to auto-analyze Google Forms workshop feedback. So as an organizer, my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new feedback through my Google Forms, then automatically OpenAI should generate the analysis for that response. And after generating the analysis, automatically that should be updated in my Google Sheets as the new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Forms with OpenAI and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically analyze workshop feedbacks using AI agents. This helps you quickly understand participant satisfaction, identify areas for improvement, and save hours of manual review time. Alright, so as you all know that as someone who regularly conducts workshop, I collect feedback from participants using Google Forms. But going through all the responses manually takes a lot of time and it's easy to miss important insight. By building an AI agent to auto-analyze the feedback, I can instantly understand how the workshop went, what participants liked and what they didn't, and what I can improve. So this saves me hours of work and gives me a quick, clear summary of overall satisfaction and the areas for improvement. It helps me make my future workshops better and more effective without spending time reading each response one by one. Alright, so now here let me show you the Google form that I've already created with the name workshop feedback. So this is the form that I've created with the fields as workshop name, participant name, phone number, how satisfied were you with the workshop, and any overall feedback. And now here I've connected my Google form with my Google Sheets so that whenever a new form submission is received on my Google Forms, then automatically that should be captured in my Google Sheets over here like this. And once we are going to receive a response over here, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate an analysis for the same. And after generating the analysis, automatically it should be updated over here in my another sheet that I've already created with the fields as workshop name, participant name, phone number, and feedback analysis. So that automatically the analysis should be added over here in my sheet. Alright, so now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Forms with my OpenAI account and Google Sheets using an automation software. And now here in this video, firstly we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply making a form submission over here for this form. Alright, so let me take you all to my responder link of the form. So this is the form and here you can see the details that I've already pre-filled over here. So I've added the workshop name as mastering Excel shortcuts. Here you can see the participant name as dummy user, phone number, satisfaction rating, and the overall feedback. So now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the submit and here you can see it says your response has been recorded. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail over here such as the timestamp, workshop name, how satisfied were you with the workshop, overall feedback, participant name, and the phone number. So now here after receiving the details, let's go and check the another sheet. And here you can see we have successfully received the details over here as well such as workshop name, participant name, phone number, and the feedback analysis generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this automation by simply connecting your Google Forms with your OpenAI account and Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. And now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as build an AI agent to auto analyze Google Forms workshop feedback. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different folder names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on the screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Forms, as I'm receiving new form submissions through Google Forms. So Google Forms is a free tool that lets you create online surveys and forms quickly and easily. So in my Google Forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new response received, so that when you're going to receive new response to our Google Forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now you have to selecting my trigger event. You can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Forms with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Forms account. So this is the Google form that I've already created, and here you can see the fields as well. So now after creating the fields, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this Google form with Google Sheets so that I can capture all the responses of my Google Forms in an organized format, that is in Google Sheets. So for that you need to click on this responses, and from here you will be able to see the option of link to sheets. So I'm going to click it over here, and then I'm going to create a new spreadsheet for the same. And here you can see we have successfully created a new spreadsheet. That means we have successfully connected our Google Forms with our Google Sheets. Alright, so now here to test this connection, we are going to make a form submission over here. So for that I'm going to copy the responder link over here, and then I'm going to open it in a new tab. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. Alright, so here you can see I have successfully added some details such as the workshop name, participant name, phone number, satisfying rating, and the overall feedback. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the submit, and it says your response has been recorded. So let's go and check our Google Sheets. Alright, and here you can see we have successfully captured a response over here where we have received the details, and with this we have successfully seen the connection over here. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. So here to build this connection, you need to install an add-on in your Google Sheets account first, and for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here under this add-ons you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on in your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So I'm going to move back, and here after installing this particular add-on, you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now here after installing the add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Okay, so now after refreshing the Google Sheets, you need to click on this extensions, and then you will be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks over here. So from here you need to select initial setup. Now here under this initial setup, you can see it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here for the trigger column, you can see my last data column over here in my Google Sheet is column F. So here I'm going to add my trigger column as column F, and then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now here to building this connection, I'm going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here, and it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first row data of our Google Sheets to this webhook URL, that means to our Pabbly's workflow. So now let's go and check it, but here before moving back to Pabbly Connect, we are going to follow another very important important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and now here you need to turn on the send on event. So by turning it on, automatically whenever you're going to receive new detail in your Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Alright, so now let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the workshop name, trigger, column, time, stamp, spreadsheet name, ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, phone number, participant name, how satisfied were you with the workshop, and any overall feedback. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new responses through our Google Forms, then I want to share this response to OpenAI to generate a proper analysis for me. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. And here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate a proper analysis for me. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me for the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key, and here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is workshop feedback. And now here after giving the name, I'm going to select the project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here's asking me to select the AI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the existing models available over here. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini. You can select the AI model as per your need, and then here it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper analysis for me. Alright, so let me add the prompt over here. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as workshop title, feedback, and rating out of 5. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new response through our Google Forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. Alright, so here for the workshop title, I'm going to map the workshop title over here. Here I'm going to map the feedback received, and lastly here I'm going to map the rating received over here. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the message content generated, where we have received the entire analysis generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here, after generating the analysis, I want to add all these details in my another Google sheet. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add another sheet over here, and then here I'm going to add the fields as. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added the fields over here, and I have renamed the sheet as analysis. And now here, after generating the analysis by OpenAI, I'm going to add all these details over here in my Google sheet. So for that, here I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit, and share spreadsheets online. So in my Google Sheets action step, I'm going to select my action event as add a new row, so that after generating the analysis, automatically all the details should be added over here in my Google Sheets. And now here to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then he's asking me to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name workshop feedback responses. So I'm going to select my spreadsheet as that. And now after selecting the spreadsheet, I'm going to select my sheet as analysis that I've just right now created over here. Alright, so now after updating my sheet, it is asking me to enter the workshop name, participant name, phone number and the analysis. So basically these are the details that I've entered over here in my Google Sheets. Alright, so now again here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. So here for the workshop name, I'm going to map the workshop name over here. Here for the participant name, I'm going to map the participant name. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. And lastly here for the analysis, I'm going to map the analysis generated by OpenAI. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail over here in my Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the workshop name, participant name, phone number. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the workshop name, participant name, phone number and the analysis generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Google Forms and an action as OpenAI and Google Sheets. So that whenever we're going to receive new response to our Google Forms, then automatically using the details, I want OpenAI to generate an analysis for the same. And after generating the analysis, automatically that detail should be added over here in my Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to build an AI agent to auto-analyze Google Forms workshop feedback. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.